dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
John Mayaki said that Edo voters is going to punish APC for fuel increase, poverty, hunger and inflation. Moving on after this, we have APC want Edo governorship candidate to be tested for marijuana and other illicit drugs. Alright, my wonderful people, before I commence fully with this wonderful news, thank you so much for joining us on Reality Latest Gist. As we are giving a back-to-back update information as it is hot. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's proceed. John Mayaki, the former chief press secretary to Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, said the Edo State 2024 governorship election scheduled for September 21st will be influenced by issues such as fuel price increase, scarcity, poverty, hunger and inflation. Quoting a recent poll, John Mayaki said many attribute these challenges to the ruling All Progressive Congress at the federal level. However, this was contained in a statement personally signed by John Mayaki. He said, ongoing electoral campaign in Edo State have been dominated by national issues, including widespread hardship, endemic poverty, job losses and unemployment, inflation, poor and impassable federal roads. So the removal of fuel subsidy resulting in high pump price and scarcity and insecurity, that these have been widely blamed on the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC. An independent opinion poll conducted by researcher and journalists specializing in pre-election monitoring has revealed general dissatisfaction and discontent among a majority of people across Edo State. Respondents has also expressed concern about their declining standard of living, despondency, and pervasive poverty. So all of which they attribute to the policies of the ruling party. In Edo Central, the deteriorating condition of the federal road from the Awuchi, Egbeda Axis to Irua, Ekpoma, Iruekbe, and Bini Axis is a major concern. Residents are blaming the suffering of commuters on the APC-led federal government. They have been questioning why anyone would vote for a party that has impoverished them. So, John Mayaki claimed that in Benin City, residents are voicing frustration over the high cost of living, increasing fuel prices, food scarcity, inflation, and the removal of fuel subsidy. The general dissatisfaction with the current administration is shared by most Edo people regardless of party affiliation. So this sentiment is likely to shape their decision when they go to the poll on September 21st to elect Governor Godwin Obaseki's successor. John Mayaki continued by saying that adding to this is the lackluster campaign of the party in Edo State, exacerbated by the perceived shortcoming of their candidate, Senator Mondo Boholo. Mayaki said that Senator Mondo Boholo has faced criticism from several journalists for refusing to share his governance plan and vision. But people don't be small, Mweke. So reports suggest that he is avoiding scrutiny due to his lack of fluency in English, a weakness attributed to illiteracy. That make John Mayaki the talk say, Senator Mondo Boholo campaign has been made by numerous blunders, leaving analysts struggling to identify their economic position or policy proposal. My people are going to like know what I think about this issue in our comment section. Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. All Progressive Congress, APC, has alleged that some candidates contesting Edo State governorship election are heavy consumers of banned substances and alcohol. Kashim Afabwai, the director of media, APC campaign council for the Edo State governorship election, made this known in a statement he issued in Benin City. Afabwai said the candidates need to present themselves for drug tests to ascertain their level of sanity. The director called on the Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency to subject party candidates in the poll to compulsory drug tests. He urged the agency to zero in on all candidates of the frontline political parties to ascertain their sanity, adding that the test would save Edo people of any future embarrassment that may arise. Afroboy stated that Edo voters must be well guided in making informed choices during the election, and they have to avoid voting for a candidate who will spend the state's resources on funding drugs and alcoholic lifestyle. My people don't feel small matter. He said that they have been reliably informed that some of them are alleged to be heavy consumers of banned substances, including alcohol. So a test for all of them will unveil their level of sanity. That Edo State is too decent to have a governor who will bring shame to Edo State. And anyone who wants to govern Edo State should not be a heavy consumer of marijuana. This is a banned substance. So they are expecting the Drug Enforcement Agency to verify and conduct tests on the major candidates. Afroboy said that their candidate, Senator Mondobolo, is prepared to submit himself to any test anytime he is called upon. So right now, APC expects similar assurance from other candidates to ascertain their level of sanity. The council would also continue to mount pressure on the anti-drug agency until the call will be heeded. He said they are not going to rest because what they are saying in other candidates is not what Edo people really want at this moment. That Edo don't want anybody that's going to consume their money on alcoholic lifestyle or drugs. So calling on this text is very much important to them. So as it stands now, the voters must be well guided in making informed choices during the election and avoid voting for a candidate who will spend those state resources on alcohol. Afroboy said that their candidate is ready at any time, so they expect other candidates to do similar thing, to volunteer themselves for the drug test, for them to ascertain their level of sanity before the election is going to commence on September 21st. My people of this small matter. Now a lot of people are saying that no Nigerian electoral law disqualify a candidate for testing positive to any drug on earth, and there is no such requirement for candidates. So the electoral laws allow criminals, drug dealers, convicts, and miscreants of all sorts to contest for presidency and governorship position. So when they not talk, say if someone is tested positive for any drug of any kind, that the person will be disqualified. They say the Nigerian electoral law. My people are going like know what I think about this matter in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, and next. Bye for now.